9th standard. My topic is vertebrates and invertebrates. Now I am going to explain about vertebrates and invertebrates. Vertebrates and invertebrates. Vertebrates is you know what is meant by vertebrates and invertebrates? Vertebrates means the animal who has a backbone, they are called as vertebrates, and the invertebrates means the animal who doesn't have a backbone, they are called as vertebrates. There are eight phylums in invertebrates like Porifera, Coelenterata, Ornithoptera. Examples: Coelenterata, Ornitharia, Platyhelminthes, Nematoda, Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca, Echinodermata. These animals all live in water as well as on other animals' body. Examples: Cycon, Hydra, tapeworm, etc. Now come to the point on vertebrates. As you know, vertebrates means the animal who has a backbone. They are called as vertebrates. There are five phylums in vertebrates like fishes, amphibia, reptilia, apes, and mammalia. First we will see the fishes. These animals all live in water. Without water they cannot survive. They have two-chambered heart. The second one is amphibia. These animals all live in water as well as on land. Examples: squid and frog. They have three-chambered heart. Examples: squid and frog. Third one is reptilia. These animals are cold-blooded animals. They have three-chambered heart except crocodile. Examples: turtle and king cobra. Fourth one is apes or birds. These animals are warm-blooded animals. They have four-chambered heart. All the birds are belongs to the apes, and they can fly high through their wings. Examples: crow and sparrow, etc. Fifth one is mammalia. These animals are also a warm-blooded animals with four-chambered heart. They have mammary glands. With the help of mammary glands, they can feed their young ones. Examples: cat, bat, rat, human, etc. These are the examples of